Hello friends, welcome to the question lab. This is banking abbreviation part 1. It is one of the most important static topic that were asked in various competitive exams like IBPS, LIC, UIC. For every bank competitive exams and insurance exams, banking abbreviations plays an important role. Compulsorily there will be a one or two questions from this banking abbreviations topic. From that, we can score easily from this banking abbreviations section. So in this video, you will get 50 most IMP banking abbreviations. So let's get started. First is ICICI, Industrial Credit and Investment Corporation of India. SIDBI, SIDBI, Small Industries Development Bank of India. HDFC, Housing Development Finance Corporation. IFSC, Indian Financial System Code. IDBI, Industrial Development Bank of India. HSBC, Hong Kong and Shanghai Banking Corporation. ADB, Asian Development Bank. INR, Indian Rupee. NEFT, National Electronic Funds Transfer. RTGS, Real Time Gross Settlement. PAN, PAN, Permanent Account Number. TDS, Tax Deducted at Source. ECS, Electronic Clearing Service. SLR, Statutory Liquidity Ratio. SBI, State Bank of India. RBI, Reserve Bank of India. BOI, Bank of India. PNB, Punjab National Bank. BOB, Bank of Baroda. IOB, Indian Overseas Bank. CCB, Central Cooperative Bank. UBI, United Bank of India. OBC, Oriental Bank of Commerce. IRDA, Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority. UCB, Urban Cooperative Bank. NABARD, National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. KMB, Kotak Mahindra Bank. DCB, Development Credit Bank. RRB, Regional Rural Bank. BMB, Bharatiya Mahila Bank. BOR, Bank of Rajasthan. CUB, City Union Bank. SIB, South Indian Bank. DB, Dena Bank. IIBI, Industrial Investment Bank of India. NHB, National Housing Bank. CB, Canara Bank. IB, Indian Bank. VB, Vijaya Bank. SCB, Standard Chartered Bank. SDS, Special Deposit Scheme. ECB, European Central Bank. IPPB, Indian Post Payments Bank. ABPP, Aditya Birla Payments Bank. IBA, Indian Banks Association. EMI, Equated Monthly Installment. FRB, Federal Reserve Banks. IDFC, Infrastructure Development Finance Company. ECB, External Commercial Borrowing. UOB, United Overseas Bank. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, click the bell icon. Thanks for watching.